Swapnil, welcome to Floor Talk. It's great to have you here today.
Judy, thank you so much for having me. Appreciate it.
So I want to start off by talking about the company. Tell me about Observe.AI.
Millions of people every single day, like you and me, call our favorite brands, call our telecom providers, call our banks for customer service. And every single time, each of us come out very unhappy. Either we have been on wait times for very long, where we have seen screenshots on Twitter where people are saying, I've been on hold for an hour. Or we get transferred from one agent to another because they're not able to solve the problems. We help enterprises improve the customer experience they provide in their contact center while helping them reduce the cost. We do this by providing them with software that's powered by AI that augments the human workforce to do a better job in customer service. We have been in business for about 8 years. We work with 300 plus customers and have helped many of these customers through the AI transformation journey of the customer service and contact center.
And tell me, what is VoiceAI?
VoiceAI is a recent product launch. VoiceAI, just to give you an interesting fact, Julie, right there, average human spends about 43 days on hold with customer service. Can you imagine that? Observe.AI's VoiceAI agent product solves this problem by helping enterprises automate simpler and routine queries in the contact center so the agents can focus on the more complex queries. So tomorrow, when you call your telco or your bank, you will talk to an AI machine that will really understand what you are saying, what's your problem. It will be very human-like, it will be very conversational and resolve your problem. So you don't have to wait on hold to talk to a human agent. Your problem can be solved right there very quickly. And then businesses don't need to spend so much money necessarily in hiring a lot more human agents.
And Swapnil, how are customers benefiting from VoiceAI?
Yeah, with VoiceAI, the best thing is customers see ROI rather really quickly. So some of our customers, Accolade, a personalized healthcare company, uses our VoiceAI agents, uses Observe.AI VoiceAI agents to collect a lot of information upfront in their insurance claims process, right? So when you're calling these companies, there's a lot of information collection that happens upfront, right? What's your name? What's your member ID? What's your problem? Why are you calling? Things of that nature. They've automated that entire process using our AI agents. So now when the call goes to a human agent, the human agent has all the context of what the customer is calling about, and they can do a much, much better job in helping their customers. Another company, Affordable Care, in a dental healthcare space. They've created an AI agent called Beth using our VoiceAI agents. That now handles 95% of their conversations. So every time you call in, you will be greeted with an AI agent called Beth that will resolve most of your queries. And then the rest of it goes to a human agent. What this does for consumers like us is it makes healthcare and it makes access to care much, much faster, much, much better, because now we can easily talk to the brand, we can easily talk to the company without having to wait on hold and wait to talk to a human agent.
And finally, Swapnil, what do you believe is the future of AI for call centers?
With what's happening in contact center right now and what's happening in AI, I believe the future of contact center and AI is multimodal, right? I imagine a world where it's just not going to be about voice. It will include images, video, right? The way we will communicate with the business will be multimodal. It might even be a fact that you pick up your phone and you start showing them what's your problem. The AI on the other side detects the problem and recommends you a solution, right? So I imagine the future of customer service and contact center being a multimodal, beyond sort of text and chat and email to images and videos, and all powered by AI is how I view the world.
All right, well, Swapnil, it's been wonderful to talk with you. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me, Judy. Appreciate it.